I was in Lidl, and they had a Parkside hot glue gun PHP 500E3. What that means, no clue. But it comes in a nice case. And I did have a glue gun that I got from one of those cheapo stores. And let's see what the difference is. Oh, wait for it. We need to get the razor blade. Alright, I popped it. Little razor blade, single sided, always works. Directions. I guess this is the holder. And that charges it like that. Oh wait, I forgot to do it sideways. Sorry. Charges, which means this goes over here. Let's get a good looky. So it charges, I guess, when it's done. Pull it out. And it's got a nice holder. Where the holder goes like that. Pop out the holder there. I like this one better. And I guess that was a precautions. It probably says don't touch the tip when it's hot. Do not pull back the glue stick. And those are the instructions. And once the glue stick goes in, like any other glue stick. Alright, if you're a little old lady trying to get these glue sticks out, have your grandson help you. Yep, like any glue stick, feed it in. But it said do not pull it back, that's why you're using it. Once the glue stick's in there, as you can see, I damaged it. It's not meant for removal. So once that goes back in, guess you got to take and whatever's left over, cut it off, keep a razor blade in there. What a nice glue stick. $20, how can I go wrong, right?